What's up guys, Shehbaz here. Today I have received another Samsung's budget phone. Meet the new Galaxy A03s. Awesome is for everyone. Samsung Galaxy A03s best budget mobile phone that has a huge battery, which makes it a real bargain. However, some may not like it due to a few of its outdated features, such as the absence of an in-display fingerprint scanner. To make things better, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy A03s is set to bring several improvements to make the budget device a more attractive one. So let's start the video. Coming up next. Alright, this is the Samsung Galaxy A03s with an Infinity V display, triple camera and fingerprint scanner. This is great. This is classic. Feels wonderful. Samsung Galaxy A03s. Bigger display, more options. More display means more room to play. Expand the boundaries of what's available with a 6.5 inches Infinity V neck display of Galaxy A03s. With HD Plus technology, the Galaxy A03s display makes everyday content bright, crisp and clear. Attractive and ergonomic design. Galaxy A03s blends classic, sober style with a soft tactile feel. Improved ergonomic provides a comfortable grip and easy navigation across the entire display surface. Give yourself more room to play. The Galaxy A03s combines octa-core processing power with up to 3 or 4 GB of RAM for fast and efficient performance for the task at hand. Enjoy 32 GB, 64 GB of internal storage, or add even more space with up to 1 TB micro SD card. With an improved 8-core processor and 3 GB or 4 GB of RAM, Galaxy A03s keeps your apps and games running smoothly and efficiently. With 32 GB, 64 GB of internal storage, and micro SD card support for up to 1 TB, you can store even more content. Focus more with One UI Core. One UI Core helps you focus on what matters to you. Hardware and software work together with content and features at your fingertips so you can get to them faster. Seamlessly switch apps and get information for multiple apps at once. The convenient UI design lets you multitask on a single screen. An awesome Android experience always. Get the latest Google apps on Android operating system, fully supported on your Galaxy A03s. Unlock your phone with your fingerprint. Galaxy A03s is not equipped with a built-in in-display fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint reader is side-mounted, with the fingerprint sensor built right into the power button. One seamless motion gets you into your phone. Bring the focus to the front with the depth camera. The 2-megapixel depth camera lets you adjust the depth of field in your photos. With a simple touch, you can easily fine-tune the background blur behind your subject for high-quality portrait shots that truly stand out. Front camera for stylish selfies. Take stunning bokeh selfies with the Galaxy A03s 5-megapixel front camera. Multiple ways to capture your world with triple camera. Snap memorable moments in clear detail with the 13-megapixel main camera. Customize focus with the depth camera or gets closer to the detail with macro camera. 3 cameras to capture the essentials. Capture the moment with the Galaxy A03s. The optional depth sensing camera helps you focus on the essentials, while the macro camera captures the smallest details. A macro camera with greater detail will allow you to shoot something that is not visible to the ordinary eye. The natural bokeh effects make your shots truly deep. Depth camera focus on the essentials. A dedicated camera with adjustable depth of field allows you to focus on the main subject like people, animals, and your favorite food, and get a stunning picture with an adjustable blur effect. The power that keeps you going and going. Stay ahead of day with a battery that won't slow you down. The 5000 mAh battery lets you keep doing what you do. Energy to move forward. A powerful 5000 mAh battery helps you stay on top of your dynamic life. The budget phone easy on the eyes and the hands. Galaxy A03s combines classic colors with a look and feel that's gentle to the touch. Refined curves make it comfortable to hold and provide easy screen navigation. Choose from black, white, red and blue colors. Always at your service, wherever, whenever. Enjoy peace of mind when you choose to buy a Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Meet the new Galaxy A. Awesome is for everyone. Get your Galaxy A03s right now. Please check the link in the description. We hope you will like this video. If you do, please hit the like button and don't forget to share your friends and family. Also, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.